Here's a General Electric 2-star. This one's in great shape. Does need to be cleaned up, but I don't have this fan anymore, so it got sold. I'm just making a video of it. So here it is on high. It's actually pretty quiet. There's a decent amount of air. There you go. And then there's medium. I don't think that's set to the widest oscillation arc. There we go. There's low. And here it is off. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, I meant to show the back. Head wire was changed out in the past. I don't know who did, but